The grip is crucial in golf because it enables us to control the alignment of the club's face at impact by positioning our hands on the club. It also allows us to move the club with more fluid wrist movements, which boosts our strength and power. A consistent golf grip will improve your ball striking, cure your slice, make you more consistent, and help you improve your whole golf game.
In this video, I will show to you how to have a proper golf club grip. I won't be using an actual golf club because I don't have one. Instead, I will use an alternative as permitted since this is for demonstration purposes only. As a right-handed person, I will demonstrate the proper grip handling of the club with your right hand. Firstly, place the grip of your club in a diagonal position, descending to the lower right direction. There we go. What I am using here is my non-dominant hand. In my case, that would be my left hand. Then, wrap your 3 lower digits around the club. These 3 lower digits being the pinky finger, the ring finger, and the middle finger. Next, put your index finger just above the middle finger. It should look like this. There should be a space in between these fingers. After that, place your thumb right at the center of the club. There we go. Let me twist my hands on all angles so you would see how it looks like. There we go. Now, there are 2 ways to go from this grip right here. You can either have an overlap grip or an interlock grip. I will firstly show to you how to do the overlap grip. I'm going to show to you my dominant hand. This is my right hand right here. Now, what I'm going to do is to put my ring finger and the middle finger right wrap around this, just above the index finger of my non-dominant hand. It should look like this right now. Then, normally place the pinky finger right around the index finger and the middle finger. There we go. Then don't forget to keep your thumbs right at the center of the club. Now this is how it should look like. It's an overlapping because it's just placed normally, okay? You should not interlock it with your index finger and non-dominant hand. You should just keep it nicely fit right there. And that's how you do the overlap grip. Okay, now that I've shown you the overlap grip, let us move on now to the interlock grip. So, for the interlock grip, what must you do is that place middle finger and ring finger again right above the index finger of the non-dominant hand. And then, we're gonna cross over the pinky finger and the index finger. There we go. It should be locked and tight. With that, the index finger of your dominant hand or the right hand will be wrapped next, followed by the thumb going at the center. Keep the position of your thumbs at the center. There we go. This is how it should look. It's interlock. And that is the end of my demonstration for the proper golf club handling. and grip. I am Divine Grlcz C. Dugan from Section BMMA-211C. Thank you very much for watching.